Here's a look at a couple of lots coming up a little bit later on. Volkswagen's Boat, the 56 pickup. Very rare piece with canvas top. Restored, including brakes, engine, tranny, and conversion to 12-volt electricals, plus paint, tires, chrome, windows, and interior.
Understand these new Volkswagen commercials where you see somebody and you punch the guy next to you and you go, green one, like the one up on stage. Back in the day, we played a game called Punch Bug when we were riding on trips with the family. And because Volkswagens were very common on the road back then, when you see one, you'd yell out the color and you'd give your little brother a big punch in the arm. So they call them punch bugs. And they've kind of revived that for the commercials of today, but without really telling the backstory. So now you know.
Yeah, I think, well, I know my 16-year-old Chase knows all about punch buggies, so I assume his friends do too. Let's stick with the Volkswagen theme. Here's the truck we had a look at earlier. A 56 VW pickup with canvas top. Check out that windshield. Fold open windows. This is a really nice piece.
Well, I'm sighting down the side of this, and it's not wavy or ripply at all. Most of these land really hard lines, but we can see that it's very, very straight. Either an excellent job with the metalworking or a very lightly used original.
These are pretty neat because once you remove the canvas top, the whole side down to here is hinged and would lower so that you could load these flat onto the load floor, and that's the problem. Brad showing you the load floor, which is very, very high for a pickup. That's because the engine and everything lives right underneath the load floor here in the back. So these were easy to load from the side as the girls are putting that side back up, but a little limited utility because they couldn't haul a whole lot of weight, and you had that high load floor, which was either a boon or a bane, depending on what you were carrying and how you were getting it in there.
I would say those two women were just slightly embarrassed at being part of the presentation of this vehicle, but great presentation nonetheless.
Yep.
And this one suffers from terminal cuteness. It constantly drew a crowd. There was never a moment when this thing sat in the display room without anybody around it. People were always looking at it. And it's just really cute, the Type 2 canvas pickup, and the fact that it's been restored so beautifully.
Well, the consignor says it'll take 3/4 of a ton. And with that 20 square foot cargo area, 161 cubic feet of covered space. Doesn't have to be heavy, but if it's big and boxy, you're ready to go with this.
Wow, Bob, I'm surprised at that load rating with that width of wheel and tire on what is essentially a unit body type vehicle, but okay, that's what the consignor says. That is an original color, by the way, the Volkswagen, and I think it looks a lot better today than it did back in the day. This is cool.
Mike, I got an email at speed.com from Ron, who said, you know, those trafficators you mentioned on the Beetle that was up there earlier? According to him, on the 57 Beetle, those indicators were not called trafficators, they were called semaphores.
Semaphores.
I love it.
Yeah, well, semaphores like the railroads used for signaling before they went to signal lights. My apologies, Ron. Trafficator is a British term.
Don't forget, you can email your questions and comments to us at speed.com. And away goes the pickup. And here comes another Beetle.